All right, so now that you know how to search for videos, let's look into the steps to search for textbooks. So imagine you're a teacher and then your school doesn't have enough textbooks to use for your teaching. But at the same time, probably you have computer labs in your school. And then you don't have, maybe you also have tablets or laptops for your school. But again, you don't have, resources to use within those devices. So one option is going for online books or e-books that you can be able to search as open educational resources. Now, by the end of this lesson, you should be able to locate the relevant repositories for open books or e-books. But again, you should be able to search for the relevant repositories, relevant e-books that you might be able to use for your own lesson. Suppose you are a science teacher, or you are an art teacher, or you are a business teacher. What kind of resources in terms of books or online books you can use for your students? Now, here is the procedure on how to locate for the different books that you might require for your students. So to search for books, free resources in terms of books, you have a number of websites you can go through. One is the oercommons.org. You can see here. From here, you can be able to search for books you want. For example, you want to search a book on biology. What you do is specify the book you want to search. Maybe you want to search human anatomy, for example, or you want to search about physics, for example. I don't know, physics. And then subject. So this is the subject is education, maybe. A level is secondary school, and then the standard book. So when you click on search the book, if the book is available, it will be shown, or any book containing the word physics will come. Now, it depends on what you want. You can be able to download your book and use it in your class. Likewise, when you want to download books that are free in terms of, African books, you can also be able to go to the africanstorybook.org, and then you get a number of books here you can be able to read, use, or make based on what you want to do. So for example, you want to select this book. This is not in English. You can go back and select another one, which you think this is also not in English, but depending on the language you're going to use, you can be able to read some books. Click on read books, and then you have a number of options. You want book apps. So take apps, and then from there you get the language. So you select the book that is maybe English, A Beautiful Day here, and then this will be the book. And then you can start reading. So reading is just by clicking on the next page. Click on the page moves. You can give it to your kids and be able to learn anything they want to learn. So it's next, or you can come back all the way to the beginning and then allow your students to be able to learn. And then you can come back again and select another one. So this is how we do online books, free books. You might be in a need to be able to download books. This link will be used for you to be able to download books. For example, you want to download a book on physics, or maybe on geography. So just write geography for secondary schools, and then click on search. So anything connected to geography will come, and then it will be the beauty. You are tasked now to be able to select African geography for schools, economic geography for Russia. So you select which one you want to do. So the more you put very specific words here, the more you'll get the right books and be able to do. Now, suppose you want to download this African geography. Click here, and then this download PDF here. Click on download PDF book. So click on download PDF. This book will definitely come. You can now it's being downloaded. This is one here down. It's being downloaded, and it's actually almost over. It's almost downloading. So it's almost there. Yeah, so the book is now here. You can see the book. You can start reading. You can save into. It's now downloaded on your computer. You can save into your computer, your flash,
for reading later. So that is how it is. But again, we have OpenLearn has given you a chance to be able to participate in learning through online courses. You want to learn maybe online course about maybe teacher training, I don't know, and you put in a teacher training, or maybe computer science, introduction to computer science, computer programming maybe. So write computer programming and then search. You'll be able to get resources. Anything related to computer programming will come. You can view the videos, see from Zero to Zero Doom Study. You can view the videos, and then you can also be able to learn from the video. So this is basically how we do when we speak about open educational resources in terms of books. I will give you activities to be able to do, practice, so that you get to learn more and download some resources.